In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change image banner size in Shopify. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then Themes. This is where you manage how your store looks. Find your current theme and then select Customize. This opens the theme editor, where you can adjust sections and settings while previewing the changes on your storefront. Once you are in the theme editor, look through the page layout on the left side and locate the Image Banner section. Click directly on the image banner so its settings appear. Selecting the correct section is important because each section has its own controls, and changes only apply to the section you are editing. Now shift your attention to the settings panel on the right-hand side. Scroll if needed and look for the setting called Banner Height. This option controls how tall the banner appears on your store, and it can also affect how your image is displayed, especially if the image does not match the banner's shape. When you open the banner height options, you will see a few choices. If you choose Adapt to First Image, Shopify will size the banner to match the exact proportions of the first image you have uploaded to that banner. This is usually the best option if you want to avoid cropping and you want the banner to display the full image as designed. You can also choose Small, Medium, or Large. These are fixed height banner containers. If your uploaded image is taller or wider than the container, Shopify will crop parts of the image to make it fit. This can be helpful when you want a consistent banner height across different pages, but it also means you should use an image that still looks good when the top and bottom or the sides are trimmed. After you select the height that fits your design, take a moment to preview the banner in the editor to confirm the image looks right, especially the text or key elements near the edges. And that is all there is to it.